JMAI Photoshop Lite. One click, no watermark, no subscription. The AI chat module is your brainstorming partner inside the app. Ask questions, refine ideas, and explore concepts without leaving your creative environment. You can keep the conversation going, download useful answers, and zoom into visual responses when needed. So that's JMAI Photoshop Lite in action, a modular AI-powered playground built on Google AI Studio. If you want to see real results, not just promises, check the links in the description, watch the full demos, and test the app yourself. One click, no watermark, no subscription. I don't talk much. I just let the images speak for me.